Hello, guys, and welcome back to the channel. And I'll be showing you how to profit from digital products with zero upfront cost. 2026, a complete workthrough. So, guys, you don't actually need money to make money using digital products. In 2026, people are actually launching profitable digital products with $0 upfront payments. They aren't paying for anything, and I'm going to be showing you how you can take advantage of this and also how you can launch your product yourself. All right. So the first step is choosing a simple digital product. So basically, start with products that cost nothing to create. I'll be giving a list of those ebooks and guides, templates, checklists, Notion systems, and AI prompts. Yes, people actually pay for AI prompts, as crazy as it sounds. Now, basically, with ebooks, you're getting a collection of data that can be downloaded digitally. That's what ebooks are. Templates are basically what you'll be getting on Canva. You can actually showcase and sell your template links. I'll be showing you this in a moment. Let's open this here. I'll be showing you this. Templates are basically what people have already other done. Templates are basically what people have already done. They are like cheat sheets that you can take advantage of. These are all free templates from Canva. Both the free and the paid templates are all in the same area. And you can now take advantage of this if you're looking to sell. Let's say you recreate this, but in a Christmas tone, you can easily send this out as a link and have people now you can simply have these links showcased on your portfolio and then simply sell those links. And then for checklists, they are basically checklists. You can help people out with checklists. Now, moving on to the next step, validating demand for free. Basically, before you create anything, you need to search YouTube for similar products. So if you're going to be creating things as easy as ebooks or guides, you're going to have to check for samples all across the internet. The internet is free, and you can just simply use your mobile data or Wi-Fi connection to simply search YouTube. You could check YouTube. You could also check a platform known as Gumroad. If this is your first time hearing about Gumroad, it's basically where you would find most ebooks. It's an e-commerce platform that allows creators to sell products directly to their audience. So basically, you can take your ebooks, sell them across Gumroad, and make profit. Gumroad takes a small percentage of it, while you get to keep the rest. Now, you could check Gumroad for other people's templates. You could check Gumroad for other people's ebooks and guides and tutorials, and you can just take advantage of how much they're selling, how much what their audience is saying, the reviews, the positive reviews and the negative reviews. You can take that into account and then use that to curate your response, use that to curate your content, and simply gather more followers or consumers. All right, so besides checking Gumroad and YouTube, you could also read comments and reviews. A lot of people review a lot of materials like AI prompts, like the simple ebook guides, even Notion checklists and templates. People actually drop reviews. So please endeavor to check out their reviews and use that as a guiding stone. Now, the next step is creating the product using your free tool. So you want to create something as simple as a ebook. You can do this by using free applications like Google Docs or your notepad on your computer or Microsoft Word. Basically, you can get your stuff done on Microsoft Word and simply sell it. You could also take advantage of ChatGPT. All you need to do is just open a new tab on your computer, simply search or type in ChatGPT. You could use ChatGPT to simply create your ebook content by just simply giving it a prompt, requesting what you need, and then manually changing up the AI's content into a human content. And then basically, you can also take use of Canva. Like I said, Canva is free, and there's the Canva free, and there's the Canva paid or Canva Pro, which you could simply take advantage of if you're looking to accomplish a task on Canva. So now with Canva, when it comes to producing some things, you can simply use the free version of Canva to simply take advantage of other people's templates, and you can edit this and simply sell it off. And then moving on, AI can also help you outline your content, improve clarity, and also speed up your creation. As Canva also has an AI feature, which is mostly free. If you're going to be looking for more premium, you're going to have to pay for that, and that beats the point of this. So Another thing is where you're going to be hosting. So there are free places to host your products like Gumroad. So Gumroad is a free platform. Like I said earlier, you can just simply host your stuff on their e-commerce platform. If you click on gumroad.com, you'll be sent over to this link where you just simply have to click on start selling, and then you'll be asked to create an account and you can begin selling on Gumroad, where you join over 261,000 creators. Now, another platform you can try is PayHip. So, PayHip is the easiest way to sell digital downloads and courses. No technical skills needed. Create your own all in one digital storefront. So, basically, they are a platform where you can simply sell your stuff. So if you have photos, you can sell them. If you have videos, you can sell. If you have ebooks, you can sell. You can also do this on Gumroad. So please take note of that. Now, moving on, besides Gumroad and PayHip, you can also sell them using Notion. You can create Notion based files and have people access it through Notion. And then, last but not least, driving your traffic. So you can get traffic to your content basically when you post it on platforms. You do not need to pay to post on YouTube or Facebook or even platforms like Instagram or X. You do not need to pay to be on any of those platforms. You can just simply sign up and simply post your content there. The only thing I would suggest you try to pay for is advertisements, but like I said, it beats the purpose of this video. So please try to stick to posting under mainstream content. So if people with a large following post, just simply post in the comment section so your views are there, so you can actually get views. And then try to price your content reasonably. That's why you're going to have to sign up for PayHip and Gumroad so you can see how much people are selling their digital courses for. Once you've signed in, you can get those info. All right, guys. So comment down below if you have any questions. Don't forget to leave a like and subscribe for more content like this. Thank you.